truly high passive income. Install Crypto browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in Bitcoins every day. Join in.
Hello guys, Zeba is here, and today's short video about Crypto browser. What is amazing that using that browser you can get free Bitcoins daily. And you can just download it and use it like a regular browser. You can browse internet, do online, whatever you need to do. And that browser, in the same time, gonna mine Bitcoins for you. And is a browser with a special kind of algorithm which allow to mine Bitcoin at the time where is browser open. So like you see right here, I put on the max. You can go completely shut it down or turn it off. And that browser give me like a 30 cents daily. So, if you think about some kind of pocket money to go to get coffee on the corner in the deli, that's kind of money. And or if you can go to the Starbucks after a few days and get a good nice coffee, or even if I'm guitar player, after 1 week I can go to Guitar Center and get good string to my Les Paul. So I think about that browser that way, And like you see right now, it's just only 200 hashes by second, because my mics is run on a pretty big recording studio at that moment, screen capture and things like that. Those things actually make that right here is always only 200. What I see without running recording studio and screen capture devices is it gets between 300 hash per second to 350, and that mining speed gives me 30 cents daily. Like you see at that moment, I have a $2, and actually, let me show you here. I make a withdrawal like 1 hour ago, is still pending. And a few days ago, I make a withdrawal. It was 000 blah blah some Bitcoin. It was $5. So it's a little bit, not much. But next withdrawal is it's pending. That's okay. I believe gonna be in a few minutes, maybe even. I have it already at that moment. So what is important thing? Guys, you don't need to spend any money to get that kind of mining browser. You just download it and using like your default browser and doing things on the line and using computer, right? And what else? It's very easy to use. If you want to get a withdrawal, you just go here, right? Input amount and blah blah withdraw and directly to your wallet. My first withdrawal was very fast, like a few minutes. This one is pending a little bit, but I believe I will have it soon. So for me, that kind of browser, it isn't some kind of source to be rich. It's just a kind of thing to get some pocket money for coffee or for other small things. And below I gonna drop my link, so if you can try it, I think it's worth to try, because you don't invest anything, and every day you got few small amount of bitcoins. Like you see, here is $2. I get those $2 after 6 days. So, I do nothing. I don't pay any money. I just do thing on the line which I do every day, every evening. And it makes me $2. So, I think it's better to have $2 like I have nothing. I can go to the deli on the corner and get nice coffee, right? All right. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching that short video. Zeb Bach was here. And good luck with free Bitcoin. The link gonna be below the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Truly high passive income. Install Crypto Tab browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in Bitcoins every day. Join in.